Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I would like to teach you one AIOps lab. I also decided to give you a playlist where completely real world labs I can show you here. So before we're going to start, I decided to teach you AI integrations and AI operations. You might be a developer, DevOps. In DevOps, it is highly utilized because the IT is enhancing with the AI integration. When you integrated AI, yes, surely you need to do operations as well. In terms of that, how the AI is operating in your IT industry or existing infrastructure to make more reliable and better performance in order to reduce your security things or incident management. Okay, so how this is exactly happening, so let's understand through our entire labs. Every day I'll try to post one video by creating a lab so that you will get a very good idea. If you are a DevOps, it's perfect for you, or you are an ML and AI person who are very interested to learn and all and make your career into it, it is also for you. So the day one, what we are going to learn today, we'll learn AI operations, how the AI can take place into your monitoring, let's say anomaly detection. Okay, when a server or your infrastructure or something happen, and how does that get alert, how do you prepare your AI to do that alert? So enhancement. So this is the first beginner way of learning. After this, we will learn more advanced way that how we can advance the AI integrations with that and make it more far better than what we are learning every day. Okay. What is mean by AI ops? First of all, I'll tell IT. Okay. IT ops also you can call it as. Again, IT ops means application, everything will be included. So in your IT ops, AI is taking a bigger place. Okay, the big place it's already occupied is as per the current trend now. You have your project or your infrastructure, existing infrastructure, everything, and you are keeping your AI here and integrating this particular AI to make the on-call engineer's life easy. For an example, you are running an application, your application to be monitored. We have already tools like Splunk, Dynatrace, Neuralink, like many other tools we have. Then what this AI will do more on it? So what exceptional features that I can bring within AI? Alerting system also there with Prometheus alert manager. Dynatrace also having alert things. Neuralink also having alert things. Your CloudWatch. You can also do alert configurations. You can also configure metrics and thresholds, notifications, everything over that. And what does this AI will do? AI is used to classify your things and self-healing process and clustering, filtering in a better way that in future we should not get any errors like that. And if you utilize the AI for more, then self-healing will be the best choice. You can also give a remediation or fix. With the fix, it can retry. It can try to fix it without a human work or a human hand in it. If you are an on-call engineer, for an example, you are an on-call engineer, something happened and incident got triggered and it come to you. You need to actually do the root cause. You need to find. So you're having a minimum knowledge, even though humans, we're gonna make some mistakes. But if you get trained your AI and tell that, hey, do root cause analysis, then it will give you a root cause analysis with you so that you can take an action immediately and you can close that incident in a within very less time. So these are the some of the real world scenarios that I just discussed now. In coming videos, I'll be showing you all these real world scenarios as a labs. Okay. Now let's try to create something. Okay. AIOps is nothing but you're not building any new AI. AI is already there. You're utilizing to do operate on your existing infrastructure. That is AIOps. In alternative words, in addition, okay, if you want to build AI with your custom training on your problem statement, yes, you can train it and you can operate it. So that's what the AI ops. Okay. You're making AI understand and what you are expecting to get result of in better of your problem statement. So that is what AI ops means, as I given some of the examples. Okay. I'll also give you new ideas where you can also show in your resume, where you can also show in your interview. Okay. So this is going to be future, guys, especially for the DevOps engineers. Okay. I strongly recommend everyone go and create Killer Coda account where you can do practice freely and it's a very good platform for you. Go click on killercoda.com, log in with your GitHub so that it will give you a playground. Go to playgrounds. It will give you a server for 1 hour free playgrounds. You can also take Kubernetes. You can also take Ubuntu. So I'm gonna take this single node Ubuntu. So what is my plan of action and the lab is I have a server. Okay. For example, I have a server and I do have a Prometheus. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just write down here. And here it is a Grafana. I have both. Okay. Now I am integrating my server with these two tools. Prometheus as a data source to my Grafana. It is a data source. So data source means the source of data where it will get from. Okay. To your Grafana to get visualized. And I have my Slack as well. I have my Slack as well here. And I have a channel. So I'll get alert to this when my server CPU is increasing, like when it detected anomaly. Okay. So it will give me an alert. So here I will be going to I will be going to run an AI, run an AI where it is going to detect anomaly. And I can also see in my Prometheus with a node exporter. And I can also see in my Grafana by visualizing. And I can also get a notification into my Slack. Okay. So that on-call engineer can see that from your Slack bot and they can immediately take some action. Okay. So this is what something very beginner level of alerting with your AI. Whenever your AI, the first thing we need to keep in mind, it can be AI, ML. we need to collect the data. First, we need to collect the data. Okay. So this data could be your historic data, or in your project already from last 6 months you have data. Take this data and analyze it. Any duplicate patterns or any unwanted patterns are there, remove them. Okay. Remove unwanted patterns and all. And then you have one consolidated fine grained data. With that, train your model. Final data. With that, train your model. Okay. And then use the model to do prediction. Deploy and predict. So this is a general flow of your AI ops things. Okay. So where you will going to use this AI like this. So in this server, I'm going to do the same where I'm going to take the data time series database. Prometheus will always will store the data in time series. Okay. Will be in the time series database. So your AI has to take that and just collect and train it, and then it has to predict when we do a test. Okay, like uh, we mimic the real world kind of scenario. Like we'll stress the server to get into the more CPU consumption. Okay. So what I'll do, I already came, 4 minutes is done. And you just go to my GitHub. You have, yeah. So you just go to my GitHub here and you can able to find Day-01 and here you have, so AI labs, AIOps labs. Okay. Take this and read this README file so that I updated everything here. You just go and take this link, come here, git clone. When you do git clone in left side editor, also it will download for you. You can see here. You have files. Here also you have files. Okay. Now what do you do? Go to your, okay. You have all the files. You can see. First of all, what I need to do, I have this file. You can see I have this file and how these are working. You just need to understand in a diagrammatic way. Go to git diagram, give this. Okay, so come here. Does it able to understand how these things are get connected? It will try to show you the code diagram. Syntax error. Okay, let it be. If it is not able to do, let's come here. And what I need to do first, you just install, make sure Docker Compose should be installed. If you're doing over the AWS EC2, and Python should be also installed, and your Git, it should be also installed, and you need to create a Slack. Okay, so go and create a Slack account. Okay, just do a Slack login, log into the Slack, and you just go to your login with your Gmail ID. Already having. So this is your Slack. Okay, you have your Slack here and your channels already created. You have a 30 days free trial, even though after that also you can use it, not a problem. So what we'll be going to do, and yeah, so here I'll just go and run my commands. First, you just need to do apt update. Yes, it got installed. Then I need to run Docker Compose. When I'm running, it is going to start my Prometheus and as well as my Grafana. Let it install. Yes. Once it is done, right side, go here and click on traffic ports. We just need to search for 9090, which is from TCS port number. If you go to the status, targets, you can able to see the node exporter, which is on 9100 metrics. If you click on this, it will show you the possible metrics of you that the server, okay, so which is scrapping all the metrics to the Prometheus. Okay, the labels are instance node exporter 9100. The job is node. Okay, so these are the labels. Now you can see the last script into this many seconds ago, and I would like to start my Grafana. First, you need to log in as admin. Keep the password also admin only. Log in, click OK. Don't save it. Skip this one. Okay, new password setup. Now if you can see, Grafana is also added new feature, that is drill down. Okay. The new one where you can drill down your data by using the Grafana metrics, logs, and profiles. So this is the Grafana one, home, bookmarks, dashboards, explore, and alerting connections. You can make a connection with your alert manager and many other things, and with your Prometheus as well. So I'll just go and search for my Prometheus, and I need to make a connection. I need to make a connection. So here you need to go add new data source. Here you need to give this one. Since we are on the killer coda, you just come here, copy this up to .com, come here, give it, come down, that's it, save and test. So it got saved. Now go to this dashboards. You can also go to explore, and here you can select this one. Here you can give a code, you can give your labels, okay? So whatever you want to do, this metric server, metrics explorer, okay? So which one you would like to select and do metrics explorer, okay? Metric browser, okay? So these things you can select in the explore, and you can run the query so that you will get more information, okay? So more information. So like this, in the down you can see graph. So here is how this is would be. So we'll going to discuss this a kind of querying, how we can query, and what are the advanced ways of query with a PromQL or a GraphQL with a Grafana, and also the relations and correlation IDs, how we can do a troubleshoot when something goes wrong, dealing with the Prometheus and Grafana. We'll learn in coming videos. Okay. But now go to dashboard. I just want to see in a visualized mode. How can I create a dashboard? You have a two options. You can create with the GraphQL. You can also import the dashboard. So Grafana is already having multiple boards, pre-built boards that you can take and impose your data. So I'll just give AIOps folder dashboard, save and import dashboard. Here, if you click on this boards like dashboards, you have plenty of the dashboards. Okay, it will show, and every dashboard will have some JSON configuration. Array one unique code. You can take the code also. That will be okay. Node exporter full. If you go here, you have a code here. So copy to clipboard or create a free account, or you can see. So this is how it is going to take. Now, if you see, import dashboard template or download JSON. You can take this and you can go and give it to your import section here. Okay. Import via this, or import via URL, or import via ID. You can take an ID for this 1860 and load it. So it will load, you can see. You can give any name to it. Okay, I'll just give underscore CPU. It should be under dashboard section. And what will be my source? From this is import. Once you have imported, now you can see the real world, like real time insights here, that you can also select here job node default is this one. And now you can see the all current uh, monitorings. Okay. Now I just wanted to do few things again. I'll go back to my this one ls. I'll go to scripts ls. I would like to run. So this one first, I would like to fetch my metrics. Let me go to editor, scripts, and let me see into the fetch. So what happens in this fetch? We are already importing some of these libraries, request, pandas, time, OS, and config tracer. And then with the prom URL, we will be reading the, means we are just fetching the information, what exactly it is exporting to the node exporter. So that we are going to take into one file like .csv where we can analyze the data. Okay. If you see in the left side, we don't have any CSV file. After running my fetch script, it is going to fetch. Here you can see query, start, end, and step, and then timeout. It is going to take this the data and put it into the one CSV file. Okay, CPU metrics.csv file. Let's try to do that. Python 3. So before I going to do this, here I have mentioned config.ini where you need to change the URL and the Slack URL as well. So you just go to the this one, copy, change this one. If you are running on the EC2, you can take EC2 IP address with the port number. How can I create this Slack webhook? If you go to our README file, I already given how you can create this Slack webhook. Go to this page. You have to create, okay, you have to create a channel, an app, and there you can go with it. So follow this one, create a Slack app, create a Slack app. If you don't have, create your Slack app. Then in left side, enable incoming webhooks, and then create an incoming webhook. It will give you one URL, then install it and give your channel, whatever the channel you want to, and take this one. So in my case, if I come here, I'll go here, your apps, you can see in the right side. I'll click on this. See, I already created one app. Click on this. Here you can see I have a credentials here. Okay. So once you created the app, it will give you this one. In the left side, you can see incoming web hooks. So here you need to give this URL, copy this URL, come here and change this URL here. Okay. And save this. Go here, file, save all. I have saved the URL also I have saved. Then what next? I need to run this fetch. So pip install pandas. So it is asking me to install uh, environment Python virtual environment. Okay. For that, apt install Python 3.12 and install it. Why? And then now you get into this. Now you can activate source my env so that it will activate this one. You can see my virtual environment. Now I can run pip install pandas. So once it is installed, I guess we need to install other things as well, like request, pandas and request, and scikit-learn. So these things also. Yeah. Pip install. Yeah. It's done. Now let me run Python 3 fetch. So it is created CPU metrics dot CSV. If you see here, and it got created, you can see. See, so this is the one. It's going to collect the 6 hours of CPU data. What's happening with this server in the CPU? And let me go to the tab one, ls. So I ran my the first this one, and then I need to train my model. Okay, so Python train my model. It got trained and created an artifact. Now, before I'm going to run the last script, if I see here in AIOps channel, I have something like this. Let me delete this all. Delete message. Delete. Delete message. Also delete this one. So nothing is here. You can also see my AIOps alert, and this is my channel which I installed with a workspace with a Slack by creating the webhook. Now I just wanted to run the last one where it is going to see the detection of anomaly. Python 3, and what is the file name, like detect. Okay, I'm going to run this script. Now it is 3.89. You can also see in the really into your Grafana as well. You can compare all the things here. Okay, so what in the real time it will be also detect here. AIOps detector started monitoring CPU. Okay, here in your Grafana also you can monitor your CPU here. Okay, CPU, memory, disk. Okay, so view, edit, share, explore, all the things you can do it here. Okay, so also here you can see this graph how much it is utilizing and all. So the color wise also you can understand here. What I'll trying to do, I'll trying to create a wanted detection by creating the high CPU stress. Okay, I'll just go to one more tab. Here you can see 6.07 now. It is very normal, quite normal. Tab 2 I'll go. The tab 2, I just need to install something. Go here and we need to install apt-get install stress ng. Let it install. We have more 34 minutes. Yeah, it's done. What I'll do, I'll stress ng CPU to timeout 120 seconds. So that now I'll paste this command and putting stress on my CPU. If you see in the left side, CPU anomaly detected 55.24%. Slack alert sent. If you come here and see here how much it is utilizing, also you can see. You can see here as well. We'll see. Okay, 60% now. Here you can see. And you can come here. You got an alert here in the channel. Okay, with exactly what's happening with the percentage and all. And you can also see it here. Even there is an option of creating. There's an option of creating in an alert here as well in your. So what I'll do, it is last 24. You just need to take last 5 minutes and run the query. So this is how you can see 100%. The CPU basic is like this. You can see. So busy the graph, how the CPU is busy now, syslog, RAM, and here you can see it again sent with 82 percentage. If I come here, see 82 percentage. So this is how you will get alert on time with your AI when it detects. Okay, it's a very basic. It's not too advanced. For a beginner level to understand, it's a very basic that we just took some Python script. We took and fetched some data and we trained it and we identifying it and we're giving throwing one alert. Okay. So this is going to make an advance with AI in a very customized way. Like I can also integrate something like here about where I can ask some questions, it will come up with the root cause. I can also tell here to run a workflow where it can go and create a Jira ticket automatically. And sometimes like this anomaly is detected and something is very high critical, then automatically it has to try for remediation like self-healing. So that is also possible. Otherwise, it can come up with the some of the on-call engineer chat process. Like if you have existing things which are solved previously, that can come up with your Confluence documents. So these are some of the advanced AI integrations that we can use in the AIOps where it will save the time of on-call engineers. Okay, and landing a ticket into like incident priority one, priority two, or any complaints issues that you are doing, you write an already policy as a code. So you can integrate the AI to make work smart. Okay. I hope this lab is helpful to you all, and I'm hoping you're all liking it. If you like, please comment if you have any doubts or subscribe and share and wait for my coming labs. I'll be coming up with advanced labs. So please do follow. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. If you want this repository, go this URL. I'll be also ping you in the description of this video. You can try out. Thank you.